I still remember the sinking feeling of tearing apart my transmission to replace a solenoid, only to realize the cheap OBD2 scanner I bought had fed me a completely false code. That misdiagnosis cost me 3 agonizing days and hundreds of dollars in unnecessary parts. The market is flooded with overpriced scanners that promise dealership-level diagnostics but deliver absolute garbage. It is an incredibly frustrating minefield to navigate. Today, I'm going to save you from that nightmare by revealing the top 5 professional OBD2 scanners I have rigorously tested in the shop, including one tool that completely changed how I tackle complex electrical nightmares. 5. LaunchX 431 CRP9 19 OBD2 Scanner. When I first pulled this out of the box, I was immediately drawn to its compact form factor and upgraded Android operating system. I spent a few weeks putting it through its paces on a variety of domestic and Asian vehicles that came into the shop. The screen is a very responsive 7-inch touchscreen that makes navigating through the menus feel relatively snappy compared to some older models I have used. It boots up quickly, and getting right into the diagnostic menus is straightforward, which is something I always appreciate when I have a customer waiting impatiently in the lobby. This scanner packs a solid punch when it comes to bidirectional control and active testing. I used it to successfully command fuel injectors, cycle the ABS pump, and even roll the windows up and down on a problematic Honda Civic to isolate a faulty body control module. It covers all system diagnostics, reading and clearing codes across engines, transmissions, airbags, and more. It also comes loaded with over 30 reset functions, including oil resets, electronic parking brake maintenance, and steering angle sensor calibration. The addition of CANFD and DoIP protocol support right out of the box is a nice touch, meaning you do not have to buy extra adapters for newer vehicles. However, as much as I wanted to love this tool as a daily driver, my extended testing revealed a few glaring blind spots that you need to be aware of. While it handled basic bidirectional tests fine, I noticed it struggled with more advanced coding tasks on European vehicles. When I tried to code a new battery on their BMW X5, the software lagged considerably and ultimately threw a communication error, forcing me to grab a different tool. 4. XTOOL D8S AI-assisted bidirectional OBD2 scanner. I was genuinely intrigued by the AI-assisted marketing, so I made it my go-to scanner for an entire month to see if the technology actually lived up to the hype. The design is robust, featuring an 8-inch screen that offers excellent visibility even in the glaring afternoon sun. Right away, the interface feels intuitive, and the tablet itself feels durable enough to survive the inevitable bumps and drops that happen in a busy garage environment. It is definitely a step up in build quality from the entry-level tools on the market. The bidirectional capabilities on the D8S are expansive and generally reliable. I used it extensively for key programming and immobilizer work, which is an area where XTOOL traditionally excels. Programming a new key fob for a Ford F-150 was an absolute breeze, taking only a few minutes from start to finish. The scanner also provides OE-level full-system diagnostics and topology mapping, which gives a fantastic visual representation of the vehicle's network tree. This topology feature saved me a ton of time when diagnosing a CAN bus communication failure on a modern Toyota, allowing me to instantly see which modules were active and which had dropped off the network. Despite these excellent features, the AI-assisted functionality that XTOOL heavily promotes turned out to be incredibly underwhelming in my practical testing. I expected the AI to analyze the codes and provide streamlined, accurate repair pathways. Instead, the AI suggestions often felt like generic, poorly translated internet forum advice that did not apply to the specific trim or engine configuration I was working on. I actually wasted an hour chasing a ghost electrical issue on a Volkswagen because the AI guided me toward a known issue for a completely different model year. It feels like a gimmick that has not fully matured yet, rather than a reliable diagnostic assistant. 3. TOPDON Phoenix Plus 2. From the moment I booted this scanner up, I could tell it was engineered for serious professional use. The hardware is exceptionally well crafted, featuring a bright, high-resolution screen and a remarkably fast processor that eliminates the menu lag I experienced with the previous tools. I took this scanner through a gauntlet of complex jobs, from diesel particulate filter regenerations to advanced transmission adaptations, and it consistently impressed me. The user interface is incredibly clean, making it very easy to find exactly what you need without digging through endless submenus. One of the standout features I utilized heavily during my testing was the advanced ECU coding capability. I had a notoriously stubborn Audio A4 in the shop that required a steering angle sensor calibration and some intricate lighting module coding after a collision repair. The Phoenix Plus 2 handled the coding flawlessly, providing clear, step-by-step on-screen instructions that took the guesswork out of the process. Its bidirectional control is lightning fast. When you command a relay to click or a fan to turn on, the response is instantaneous, which builds a lot of confidence when you're deep into a diagnostic procedure. The diagnostic topology map on this unit is simply gorgeous and highly functional. It color codes the entire vehicle network, allowing you to spot communication errors with a single glance. I used this extensively to track down a parasitic draw that was bringing down the entire comfort control module network on a Mercedes-Benz. Furthermore, the inclusion of FCA secure gateway access directly through the tool is a massive time saver. You can seamlessly diagnose modern Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge vehicles without needing to rig up bypass cables or switch to a completely different diagnostic platform. 2. LaunchX 431 PRO 3S Plus Elite. If you are looking for a true shop workhorse, this is the scanner I found myself reaching for time and time again. The build quality is exceptional, housed in a ruggedized tablet that survived more than one accidental drop off the hood of a car during my testing period. The 10-inch screen is massive and incredibly sharp, which makes viewing multiple live data graphs simultaneously an absolute pleasure. The dual-band Wi-Fi ensures that software updates and online coding files download in seconds, completely eliminating the waiting game. This scanner's capabilities are staggering. I use it to perform an online ECU coding on a newer Porsche Cayenne, a task that typically sends most aftermarket scanners running for the hills. The PRO 3S Plus Elite established a secure server connection and flashed the module perfectly. It supports over 35 advanced maintenance services, and I tested almost all of them, including ADAS calibration setups and high-voltage battery diagnostics on hybrid vehicles. The VCI dongle is remarkably powerful, maintaining a rock-solid Bluetooth connection even when I was sitting in the driver's seat and the dongle was buried under the hood of a massive diesel truck. What really sets this tool apart for me is the guided functions for vehicles. Working on Volkswagen and Audi models can be incredibly tedious due to their complex security access requirements. The LaunchX 431 PRO 3S Plus Elite bypasses the headache by providing channel numbers and login codes automatically. I successfully adapted a new throttle body and performed a complex idle relearn procedure on a VW Golf in mere minutes, a job that would have taken significantly longer with lesser tools. 1. Autel MaxiSYS YAS Ultra S2. This isn't just a scanner, it is a complete diagnostic command center. The moment I unboxed this massive 12-inch tablet with its ultra-fast processor and stunning display, I knew I was holding the pinnacle of automotive diagnostic technology. I have spent months using this tool on the most complicated electrical and software nightmares my shop has ever seen, and it has conquered every single one. It is the closest thing you will ever get to having an engineer sitting in the passenger seat with you. The heart of the Ultra S2 is its incredible 5-in-1 VCMI. This device combines a VCI, an oscilloscope, a waveform generator, a multimeter, and a CANB US tester into one seamless unit. I used the integrated 4-channel oscilloscope to trace a notoriously difficult intermittent cam crank correlation issue on a Ford Explorer. Being able to view the live waveforms on the massive screen directly alongside the fault codes and live data streams gave me the exact pinpoint accuracy I needed to condemn a stretched timing chain rather than throwing sensors at it. The split screen functionality is a massive productivity booster that you simply cannot live without once you've experienced it. Beyond the incredible hardware, the software features are unmatched. The topology mapping is the most detailed and responsive I have ever used, instantly mapping out complex CAN networks and highlighting faults with precision. The dynamic repair guidance provides actual wiring diagrams, component locations, and step-by-step testing procedures tied directly to the trouble codes you pull. I was able to program a brand new transmission control module on a late-model BMW entirely through the tool's cloud-based programming servers, bypassing the need for factory software entirely.